Today I'm going to show you the difference between the old OEM air dam for the Chevy Volt and the newer version. So as you can tell, the older one is down below and it's much taller or longer. But with that, we got a lot of scraping and it just got beat up. So mine's completely ripped in half there. It's pretty damaged there. And these tabs always come popping out. It's ripped there. So the newer version is quite a bit shorter. There are no tabs, it just overlaps, so you won't have to crawl under your car and constantly put these stupid little things back in. This was like $43 shipped on eBay. It's super simple to, well, pretty simple to install and remove. There's just a bunch of little screws that hold on those little tabs underneath the front bumper that you just unscrew one by one. I would suggest, if you're right-handed, start on the driver's side and work your way over to the passenger side. That way you can kind of see as you undo each screw. You can kind of pull, you can kind of peel this back and expose the next screw as you're laying underneath the car. So I'm going to get that installed. But yeah, it's a pretty, should be a better piece where you won't be scraping as you're coming in and out of driveways or pulling up to curbs or parking spots. So that'll be a nice little upgrade, I guess, or replacement. Seeing as how mine was ripped anyways, so it's just kind of hanging on by a thread.